All right, so here is my GoPro. I used to use my GoPro in my overhead camera spot. I would just clamp it on with this guy here. And now I got a new Sony ZV-1, so I'm gonna use that as my aerial camera. And what I need now is to get this off the clamp. You know, obviously GoPro has this little contraption. It's a little slide-in mount thing, is how they do things. And, you know, I wanna put it on a normal tripod. So I got this little piece from SmallRig here. So on my regular tripod, I'll put this little guy here. So it's SmallRig, it's the same little clamp. It just works. Same concept, right? It just slides in there like that. And then you squeeze it to get it out. This part came with the GoPro, of course. It says GoPro on it, but this is SmallRig branded. So I'll just put this here. Yeah, you just gotta screw that into your existing tripod mount. So this part goes in my tripod. You know, you just slide your GoPro into there. Clamps in, you put the little rubber clamp down, and now I can use my GoPro on a regular tripod. So if I want to use it, I might use it as an extra camera because I'm about to have a pretty complicated shoot over here, and that's what I'm gonna use it for. So yeah, it's pretty good little tool.